Vice President Sara Duterte expressed approval for the ongoing investigation into anomalous flood control projects but also urged the government to expand its focus, stating that corruption is a deeper problem rooted in General Appropriations Act. More details on Mia Layagin.
Vice President Sara Duterte expressed approval on the goals of the ongoing investigation on anomalous flood control projects. During a chance interview after her visit to former President Rodrigo Duterte at The Hague, Netherlands, VP Sara agreed that contractors and politicians involved in the ghost and substandard projects be punished. Despite this, she however dared the government to not only focus on the issue of flood control projects, as corruption does not only lie under these issues.
Seryoso talaga sila. And si BBM alam niya yan kasi governor siya dati, mayor ako dati. Alam natin lahat kung ano yung anomalya, ano yung korupsyon sa budget ng gobyerno, sa projects ng gobyerno. Saan lahat?
VP Sara claimed that the problem in corruption is actually rooted to the General Appropriations Act or GAA itself. She recounted the school building program, a funding issue in the Department of Education, claiming that the funds for the program were plundered by the members of the Congress.
Humingi ng parte sa amin kasi diretso nilang kinuha yung budget. Diretso nilang kinuha ang school building program, ang SBP, at pinaghati-hatian nila sa loob ng House of Representatives. At diretso nilang inattach yung listahan nila doon sa GAA version, House version ng GAA, at inakyat nila sa Senate. In fact, during the Senate hearing ng Department of Education, lumabas yun at tinanong yun ni Senator J.B. Estrada. Pero nung nagsabi kami, at alam yun ni BBM, wala naman siya reaction eh. So, kaduda-duda kung bakit bigla ngayon meron tayong investigasyon sa flood control projects.
On the other hand, VP Sara also expressed approval on the recent mandate of the President on conducting lifestyle check on all government officials. She however argued that it should not be done only on elected officials and should be done in a deeper dive.
Dapat lang. At hindi lang yung elected public officials pati yung mga appointed public officials. At hindi lang yung mga yung on the surface na sasabihin natin kung ano yung nakalagay sa salin. Dapat deep dive kung sino yung mga dummy. Ilabas yung mga dummy ng mga public official.
On the question of her stand and resolution over the matter, VP Sara laughed about it, saying that she will not give the administration any free advice.
Ayoko magbigay ng libreng advice sa administrasyon. Panoorin na lang natin sila sa circus nila. Panoorin na lang natin sila sa kanilang zarswela. Corruption, tapos flood control lang. Ang daming projects sa gobyerno, hindi lang flood control.
This is Mia Layagin for EuroTV News.